Google Workspace is a popular business site of world-class productivity and collaboration apps built for all types and sizes of businesses. Google Workspace also offers a professional business email service. And today I'm going to help you get up and running with all of the essential Google Workspace features that you need to know. So hey guys, see here we come along towards and welcome along of this channel. I hope all is well in your world now. In this Google Workspace tutorial for beginners, I'm going to gently take your hand and walk you through how you can use Google Workspace so that you and your business can make the most of this all-in-one business site. So the first thing that you have to do is open your web browser and dive into workspace.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here various information, but before, let's know how to use Google Workspace effectively. So we have to start by setting up your account through the Google Admin Console, where you can manage users, set permissions, and customize your domain settings. So as you can see, you just have to click over Start. Then you'll find here Getting Started. So you write your company name, for example, Mike. Then you choose number of employees including you. Then region here, and we have here discover a new way to work with generative AI. With Google Workspace, you can purchase Gemini as an add-on to create, communicate, and collaborate in a new way. So you click over next. Once you do that, you will find here what are your contact details. Because you create the Google Workspace account, you will be the administrator. So you write your full name here, for example, Mike. Then we have your name. Then your current email address. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you'll find other page, which is choose a method to set up your account. To set up your company's email and Google Workspace account, you will need to have a domain as example.com. So here we have get a new custom domain, buy a new domain, and grow your brand online. Then you have here configure. Now configure with your existing domain. Use the domain you already own, and then you click over continue with this domain. So we have here look for a domain name for your business. Look for a domain that reflects your company name or brand to strengthen your online presence. So we have research in domain name. Try to find your company name here. So for example, alright, it's a shop here in Nike Computer Net. You have your NikeComputer.com. So I will wait. Then we have here verification, and once you do that, you will find other page which you have to do is just to write your personal information like your phone number and your password, your city, your address, your code postal, and this information. Then you like with your email address and your password. Then this is how it works with Google Workspace and his inscription. So let's come back to the home page. So once your account is set up, users can access various applications like Gmail for email, Google Drive for file storage, and Google Docs, Sheets and Slides for document creation and collaboration, encourage team members, and also to choose Google Meet for virtual meetings and Google Calendar for scheduling, leverage shared drives for collaborative projects, and explore Google Workspace's integration capabilities with other tools you use. Regularly review and adjust settings to ensure security and optimize your workflows. So first, here we have create and exchange and collaborate with the potential of AI. We have here a solution that brings together the applications popular with more than 3 billion users Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Meet, and many others, and we have now available with Gemini for Workspace to boost productivity with EA, and we have here productivity and collaboration tools that adapt to all modes of work. So we have video here showing how it works. As you can see, we have here chats, and we have here, can you present your location proposal to the board next week? No problem, we will finish brainstorming and reach your streamline. And we have here location brainstorm. Also we have here location ideas, and we have location brainstorm and how it works with Google Workspace, for example. So in products here we have show all the application. So we have here applications included. So we have Gmail, we have Docs, Keep, Meet, Sheets, we have Script, and we have Cut, Slides, Calendar, Forms, Drive, Sites, and we have Security and Management, Admin, Endpoint, Vault, Works, Insights, Complementary Modules, we have Voice, Mature Mate, and AppSheet. And then we have here about solutions. We have for individual presentation, small and medium-sized enterprises. We have presentation, SME, and we have new company and startup. And then we have here large companies. We have presentation here, the frontline workers, and we have safer work here. And we have also sectors here. We have sectors. We have health and life science, commerce, industry, administration, public sector. We have professional service and technology services. We have sales, marketing, human resource. So let's come back to the home page. So let's know why we use Google Workspace. So Google Workspace is widely used because it offers a comprehensive set of cloud-based productivity tools that enhance collaboration and efficiency with applications like Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, and Meet. It allows teams to work seamlessly together in real time, regardless of location. Its integration and accessibility make it easy to share files, communicate, and manage projects effectively, all within a secure and user-friendly environment. The flexibility and scalability of Google Workspace cater to both small businesses and large enterprises, making it a versatile choice for various organizational needs. About this one, we have discovered the professional words of tomorrow. So we have discovered new ways to work with Gemini for Workspace. Download our Gemini for Workspace manual to learn more about Gemini, and we have here kept up to date with product news and updates on the Google Workspace blog, Gemini writing guide for Google Workspace, and we have here learn how Gemini can help your business at our digital event, Gemini at Work on September 24. And also we have here find the answers to your questions. We have what products are included in Google Workspace. We have also what is Gemini for Workspace, and we are can I find out more about it. And we have which Google Workspace plan is best for my business. And we have here, is it possible to try Google Workspace? How do I sign up? And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.